What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best mini drones in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We'll kick things off with the Holyton HT02. Also known as the best budget mini drone available on the market in 2021. This model is so small that it'll fit in the palm of younger children. It has propeller guards on board, so it's protected from falls and bumps. This is an enthusiast drone with a basic remote control that allows you to manage flying, taking off, landing, and zooming through the air. Furthermore, the headless mode will help pilots to control the drone even more without any problems. The device is quite light, with dimensions of 1.85 by 1.85 by 1.41 inches and a weight of just 19 grams. Furthermore, the pocket configuration saves space for your bag, allowing you to use the device with ease. The package also includes 3 batteries that'll last 24 minutes, which means more fun and enjoyment for your kids or you. Another advantage is the onboard advanced flight control system. There are also 3 different modes of speed, which make it easier for amateur pilots to practice their flying skills little by little. It should be pointed out that the Holyton HT02 is made of non-toxic plastic material, which is another advantage that it can be proud of. Thanks to this simple way of use, with just one push of a button, the drone will take off and hover at a certain height. Then you can just increase the power and the drone will continue to hover at the desired height. This model is small enough that it doesn't need registration and approval from the FAA in the United States. Also, the Holyton HT02 is great for all home-type parties, birthdays, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and much more. As for the disadvantages, the majority of users agree that this drone has no significant flaws, especially when you consider what it offers for its extremely low price. For listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. The next product we'll talk about on our list for today is the Ryze Tello, also known as the best value mini drone that can be found on the market in 2021. The manufacturer's goal here was to create the ultimate drone for beginners. When you hear names like DJI and Intel, both of which are included in this product, you immediately think, this drone has to incorporate the latest technology and be really expensive. Well, that is not quite true. The part about being expensive, that is. Tello has a variety of top-notch features. This small drone has an onboard HD camera, intelligent flight modes, image stabilization, and a handful of sensors for stable flight. What's missing is the high price, which is great. By far the most impressive part of the Tello is the 5-megapixel camera that can record video in 720p resolution. Most drones in this price range have low-resolution grains, or 0.3 megapixels or 2 megapixels. Furthermore, no similar drone has electronic image stabilization. Another thing that sets Tello apart from the competition is the different ways of flying. The flight mode is called Easy Shots. The up and far mode, for example, is the classic drone. Tello flies away from you as he slowly gains altitude to keep you in the center of the video. But the most impressive regime just might be circle. In this mode, Tello performs what other drones call a point of interest or orbit. A mini drone will surround your target, always keeping it in the frame. This is a feat not offered by any other drone that does not have a built-in GPS. There are a handful of other fun modes like 8 different turns. Note most similar drones can only turn in 4 different directions. There are also bounce and 360 modes. Tello also boasts an impressive 13-minute flight time. Most drones of this size will only stay in the air for half that time. The 3.8-volt battery and newly designed propellers allow you to fly longer. One limitation of Tello is that its range is only 100 meters, or 330 feet. This is because you're flying with the app on your smartphone, not a separate remote control. The drone connects to the smart device via Wi-Fi. We must not forget another unique feature of Tello is that it can be programmed for autonomous flying. Also, Tello does not come with a charger, saving you money by offering a USB charging. For the listed price, you simply can't beat this guy. If you're looking for a mini drone that will provide safety, easy operation, and good fun for your children, we say look no further than the Potensic A20, the best mini drone for kids on the 2021 market. The product is equipped with a mini front camera and allows control from a smartphone via a direct Wi-Fi connection between the 2 devices. Since it's more of a toy than anything else, you should not expect the completion of top-class drones like Tello, for example. Nevertheless, the Potensic A20 delivers the goods and checks all the key boxes. All you need to do with this fella is activate the switch located on the back of the device. Unlike the V version of the A20, this model can only be operated via a smartphone. The controls are basic and kid-friendly. What Potensic A20 does not have is a camera, and therefore cannot record anything. In any case, this is not what most users expect from such devices, as they're designed for purely recreational use. When the drone and controller are on, just move the left stick down to pair before you can take off. We then turn the rods down and inward to activate the engines, before pressing the left takeoff rod. You can also press the takeoff button on the controller so that the drone takes off and stabilizes at just over 3 feet in the air. The young users will also like the headless mode, which offers great ease of use. In terms of battery power, the Potensic A20 manages to hover for about 15 to 18 minutes before its red LED starts flashing, which is a sign that it must land within 30 seconds. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. Up next, check out the DJI Mavic Mini, which took the title of the runner-up best mini drone that can be found on the market in 2021. Thanks to its exceptional lightness, we can use this device in residential areas. The Mavic Mini is part of recreational drones, which we can fly at a maximum altitude of 120 meters. It weighs only half a pound. At the top of this model is a fairly flat surface, while the bottom features the power button, various lights that inform us about the condition of the battery and the drone itself, a cover that protects the stabilizer, and a 3-axis camera, which looks straight ahead. Furthermore, 3 batteries and a charging set are included in the power supply kit. Another important element of this Mavic Mini is the control section. The design of the controller is quite ergonomic, reminiscent of console controls, with 2 levers that we can use to control height and direction. The device also features 2 buttons for quick photography and shooting. As for connectivity, the package contains a set of 3 cables, each with a micro USB port on one side and micro USB, Lightning, or USB-C on the other end, so you can choose the one that works best for your mobile phone. Taking off in just a few seconds, the Mavic Mini rises directly from the ground. The Mavic Mini offers 3 types of flight from the app: Position for basic operations, Sport for more advanced users who want to make the most of drone piloting and features, and finally CineSmooth, which allows a smoother flight to focus on a better shot, with softer shots achieving a cinematic halo. The Mavic Mini can capture 2.7K videos at 30 FPS or 1080p at 60 FPS, as well as capture 12 megapixel photos thanks to the camera's action and stabilizer. The drone's battery life when taking photos and videos is about 30 minutes, which is a great performance. Good stuff. Finally, after all the carefully summarized reviews, opinions, and experiences, we have reached the gold medal and the title of the best overall mini drone that can be found on the market in 2021, and the winner is DJI Mini 2. This new mini drone retains its lightness as the previous model from the series, 8.78 ounces, but increases power and performance. The DJI Mini 2 is a small, foldable, and powerful drone. It is equipped with 4 powerful rotors and reaches a maximum altitude of 4,000 meters in optimal conditions. However, do note that in many countries, the maximum altitude of drones is 500 meters. The maximum ascent speed is 5 meters per second in sport mode, while the descent speed is 3.5 meters per second in the same regime. In terms of flight time, the DJI Mini 2 offers a range of 31 minutes, long enough for such a small drone and wide enough to achieve the best shots. The onboard intelligent flight battery secures greater autonomy of the drone. It is equipped with a global satellite navigation system, which secures stability and precision in flight. The device has a landing system and an infrared detection system. These 2 systems consist of a lower camera and 2 3D infrared modules. Together, these systems help the drone maintain a stable position, which can stay precisely in the air and fly in close spaces or other environments when GPS is disabled. In addition, the package includes 360-degree guards that protect the drone's propellers from any friction or damage. It's equipped with a 12-megapixel 4K camera with 30 FPS video recording speed, providing high-quality and sharp images of your adventures, vacations, and other unforgettable moments. Also, the DJI Mini 2 comes equipped with a new DJI RC-N1 remote control that transmits HD video via OcuSync 2.0 technology, with a maximum transmission range of 10 kilometers. Overall, this device delivers a top-notch performance, high quality, all wrapped up in the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.